Gujarat's maritime prowess, rooted in a rich legacy spanning over 4,500 years, has positioned itself as a key player in India's economic and maritime growth. Currently, Gujarat ports contribute a whopping share of 39% of the national throughput.
गुजरात आज एक प्रकार से भारत के समुद्री द्वार के रूप में स्थापित हुआ है, गेटवे बन रहा है, गेटवे ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी.
Aligned with the vision of Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, the government of Gujarat, through various policies, enabled the development of port infrastructure with rapid industrialization in the state. These policies enabled private participation in the development of private and captive ports, which contribute more than 90% of the current cargo mix of Gujarat. Non-major ports of Gujarat contribute around 38% volume of containers, a share of 85% in LNG and 45% in handling POL, and almost 98% share in ship recycling activities across India. Ongoing port projects at Jafrabad, Chhara and Bhavnagar port to further solidify Gujarat's maritime stature in the port sector. As we move towards Amrit Kaal, Gujarat is planning to enhance its port capacity to 2 trillion million metric tons. The primary boost in capacity will come from the development of Port City, greenfield ports and concurrent expansion and modernization of existing ports. Ship recycling yards at Alang are set to expand along with other maritime services related to arbitration, education, innovation and banking being promoted to strengthen the maritime ecosystem. Building upon this legacy, the government of Gujarat, through the Gujarat Maritime Board, has envisioned the development of Port City. Major components of the Port City would be the world-class port with a capacity of 250 to 500 MMTPA and city development alongside the port in an area of 200 to 500 square kilometers, along with the multimodal connectivity. The state-of-the-art port will integrate deep water terminals, efficient cargo handling, intermodal facilities, etc. City area will cover both industrial and residential areas equipped with health, education and green zones, fostering economic growth and ensuring environmental sustainability in the region. The proposed port city will foster a dynamic environment with advanced technology, promoting a seamless flow of goods, creating thousands of jobs and contributing significantly to regional economic development.